In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change suggested reels on Instagram. Make sure you watch this video until the end to know exactly how you can. Now before you move on, subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more informative videos such like this. Firstly, head over to the reel section on the bottom. Now you'll start to see reels based upon suggestions. Now in order to not see certain kinds of reels, what you need to do is tap on the three dots on a particular reel and then tap on not interested. Then select the option which says this topic does not interest me. Now as you do this for most of the Instagram reels, you will start to see that those topics on Instagram will start to show less. Now the next thing you can do is, if you like certain kind of post, then you can give this post a like, and the algorithm of Instagram will know that you like a certain kind of post over the other. Now this wouldn't be a quick change, it will gradually change along as you do it, and after a few days, if you keep doing it, you should be able to change the suggested reels on Instagram, and you should be able to see all of the reels that you like and you are interested in. So I hope you guys liked this video, found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.